All right, got a 2001 Toyota Avalon with a 3-liter in it here today. We are fighting a high idle problem. There are no check engine lights associated with it. Literally, as soon as you fire it up, it wants to fire up to like 2,500 RPMs, sometimes like 2,100 RPMs, and it just stays there, man. I feel like an idiot for missing this, so we're gonna dive right into how to fix it. I will have a link up in the description if you need an OBD scanner or the temperature sensor that we're about to change. And anything else on Amazon, to go over that really helps us out. But let's get right into it. So, coolant temperature sensor, that is what we care about right now. When we fire this thing up, we're gonna back out of here. There we go. It thinks this engine is 33 degrees right now. It is 100 degrees. We're in Texas where we're at. So watch this. We're gonna fire it up. Boom. It freaking revs up to 2,500. That's insanity. Thinking that the engine is 30 degrees. Now watch this. We're gonna turn this off. Now, we walk over here and unplug it. So if you come right over here to where your fill cap is, right down yonder is your temperature sensor. And what's even more frustrating about this one is that somebody replaced that very recently. But that sensor ain't reading correctly. So now with that sensor unplugged, we expect to see no reading out of the coolant temp. And now it idles absolutely perfectly. Starts off at 1,000, works its way down. And right here, I'm gonna grab a flashlight so you can see it a little better. We're gonna unplug both of these sensors in here to get them out of the way. It's that little green top right there. It is a 19mm wham bam. We're gonna take that one out. We're gonna put the new one in. And let's see if we get an accurate reading. All right, here we are. New sensor is in. You are gonna lose a little bit of coolant, but we can live with that. Let's go see what happens. All right, I just want to shoot this as an endpoint for all the videos I just made on this car. But all that searching for that high idle, and it ended up being the engine coolant temperature sensor, and it had a vacuum leak. And honestly, that IAC was a little gummed up, but I don't know if that was actually causing a problem or not. But yeah, here it is. It's running great. I can actually hear the injectors going, which is wild. Earlier it was revving so much you couldn't hear nothing, but yep, engine coolant temperature sensor. That was the problem for this one.